So here are three things I really like about the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 third generation. So first of all, I really like the Intel Core Ultra 5 processors, which feel very snappy, and also they're very efficient. So I really like the processors of the second generation delivered by Intel in this E16 third generation. The other thing that I really like is the keyboard, which is very comfortable and silent, very comfortable to use. It has a numeric keyboard as well, since it is a 16-inch laptop. So that's the second thing I really like. And the third thing is that this is one sturdy laptop. So feels solid in the hand, but yeah, generally one very sturdy laptop that feels like you can rely on it. So these were the three things I really like about the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 third generation.